Hey there, homesteaders! Have you ever found yourself dreaming of collecting fresh eggs from your own backyard? Well, today I'm breaking down the math to get you 4 fresh eggs a day. Let's get into it. First things first, purchasing your chickens. You'll want to get a breed known for good laying, like Rhode Island Reds, Leghorns, or Buff Orpingtons. These gals are egg-laying champs, consistently producing 3 to 5 eggs a week. So, how many hens do you need? For a reliable 4 eggs a day, you'll need about 6 to 8 hens. Why more than 4? Because chickens don't lay every single day, and their laying rates can fluctuate with seasons and age. Now, on to their shelter. Chickens need a coop to protect them from predators and harsh weather. Your coop should provide at least 4 square feet per chicken inside, and 10 square feet per chicken in an outdoor run. Make sure it's predator-proof with strong wire mesh and a secure door. What about their diet? Chickens need a balanced diet to lay consistently. A commercial layer feed works great, and you can supplement with kitchen scraps and free-ranging. Don't forget to provide grit. It helps them digest food. And clean fresh water is an absolute must. Let's talk costs. Initial costs include your coop, feeders, waterers, and the chickens themselves. Expect to spend around $200 to $1,000 depending on the setup and your craftiness. Running costs for feed and bedding average about $15 to $20 per month. Now let's do some quick math. If each hen lays around 240 eggs a year, that's 1440 eggs from 6 hens. That breaks down to roughly 4 eggs a day, right on target. So what's the cost per egg? Assuming $20 a month for 6 hens, that's $240 a year. Divide that by 1440 eggs, and you're looking at about 17 cents per egg, or $2.04 a dozen. Not bad, especially when compared to store-bought free-range eggs. But wait, there's more. Chickens offer additional benefits. They provide rich compost for your garden, eat bugs and weeds, and can be incredibly entertaining and therapeutic to watch. Plus, they teach responsibility and care if you have kids. In summary, with some planning and care, you can have a daily supply of fresh eggs right from your backyard. Remember, happy hens lay the best eggs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more homesteading tips. Catch you later, homesteaders.